room that you've never been on. That is because we moved that big piece of furniture with the TV on it. Yeah, so that's gone successfully, thankfully. It was taking up a lot of space. Now I have 2 windows. I got one over there and the one here. I woke up this morning, I had some oatmeal, coffee. I took my vitamins, but I took them on an empty stomach. I started feeling sick, but then I ate, felt better. And now they opened, where we live in Florida, they opened the beaches, and I think they're gonna open the mall yesterday, but only to like 25% capacity or something like that, where it's like restricted still, which is totally understandable. We might go fishing, I don't really know, but we're gonna see what it looks like when we get there. So let's go to the beach. Say hi.
Hi, I'm ready to catch a pompano.
Oh, I just caught fish. We've been out here for like 10 minutes and she's already got a fish. What kind of fish is that?
Pompano.
So you got it. We've been out for like not even 10 minutes. She got another one. Of course she got another. Okay, we are back. And I don't want to show you my feet, but I have the most ridiculous foot tan because I had my little water shoes on the entire time, even when I was tanning, because I just hate sand in my like shoe, so I just kept them on. So now I have like the most like outlandish, like horrible. It's fine though, it's kind of hilarious. I definitely got color because you can see I'm very tan there, and then yeah, that's really tan. Oh, I'm wearing the shorts and my skin just rubbed on the chair I'm sitting on. It's, I think, close to 4 now. I'm gonna shower, make a whipped coffee, and chill because now I'm pretty tired, honestly. But it was really nice. We spent like 3-ish hours, I think, there, which I got some really nice clips there. So I hope you all enjoyed that. I'm gonna wash up and let's go make some whipped coffee. Okay, so I'm thinking of trying something new. I found this English tea. The water's already really hot, but I want to put it in milk because this is supplementing my whipped coffee because it's already 7 p.m. So I just don't really know how to do that, and I looked at kind of like recipes, but kind of wonky. So, but from working at Starbucks and everything, like I know it can be done. I just kind of forget the order. I have to brew the tea first, and you just have to steam milk. So I'm thinking of just microwaving milk. But see, I don't know if you can brew tea in milk. Let me look it up. Okay, so yes, you can. I'm going to warm up milk, like hot milk. And then we're going to, I guess, brew that in there. It just came out. You can see the steam. I microwaved it in this because I know glass gets really hot fast. But because I'm that girl, I'm going to pour the milk into here with the tea bag in there. So let's do that. I wish I had a frother. I do at my mom's, but not here. I don't really know. On the package for the tea, it says brew for 3 to 5 minutes. I didn't want to put in too much milk because I didn't know if I'd like it or if the tea would be strong enough. Well, I squeezed the tea bag like against the wall. It's still in there with a spoon, but it's like more brown tan in color. I can definitely smell the tea. I hope this is good. I'm gonna put some cinnamon in there just because I can. It's good. I'm gonna put it on ice though. Update. That was a fail. It does not taste good at all. It does taste like milk tea, but I guess I'm just not a milk tea person like that. Shame. Guess we'll just have to stick with whipped coffee. Even though I haven't vlogged in a while, I do like take some clips randomly sometimes, so I'm gonna insert those from like random days. I planted a ton of plants and everything like that in my room, which I'll show you all, but here's those time lapses.
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah.
I'm gonna show you the plants that I did. So here, this was the last one I did. I put some shells and just planted these little guys. Beautiful little babes. Then I used this interesting little pot and planted this beautiful one. I love this one. Then I put this guy in a black one to really just contrast with the leaves. And this is the first one I did, which probably my favorite. We've got this guy, one of those again, these little girls, and then these guys, which will grow. These will grow over to hang over. And we got that in a pot. So there's those. This is the plants in my room. I put them up against this wall, and then I hung my little shell thing that I made in one of my vlogs above that. Then I have my closet, and I made this little macrame wall hanging myself the other day, and I ran out of rope. That's why it's kind of short, but I feel like it's cute. So yeah. There are people across the way. I think I'm just going to end this vlog here. I had a really good day, and even though I didn't make my whipped coffee because I forgot to make it and I got carried away and I'm sad about it, it's okay, there's always tomorrow. I just posted a trailer for my new series, the adventure series, on my channel that's coming up. I'm going to move my things from Connecticut to Florida in a road trip. So the road trip will be featuring a special guest, one of my really good friends that I haven't seen since I lived in Washington. So that's super, super exciting, and that will be a part of the adventure series, episode 1. So go check out that trailer. It's literally like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So go check it out. I worked really hard on it. I'm really proud of it. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys all later in another vlog. So stay safe.